So my name is Eunice Kemuma Orondo. I'm the Deputy Principal Academics, West Mogirango TVC. West Mogirango TVC is found in Nyamira County in Miruka Markets. We have around 6 departments or 6 courses that we offer. We start with, we are a Center of Excellency for Automotive Engineering, whereby the government has procured for us equipment, state-of-the-art equipment that students are going to use for practicals, because we are training mechanics who are going to work in the garages and manage their own made vehicles and driving also. Another department that we have in this institution is electrical engineering, whereby we are doing fashion, technology. We're also having cosmetology. We're also having hair and beauty, and we have business courses. But also we have ICT, whereby we have training students on packages, especially those who have, for example, finished school and they are waiting to join university. We want to encourage them that they come, they do the packages. The last year, this December holiday, we had even students, those who have joined senior secondary grade 10. Actually, they came here, they did packages for almost 3 weeks, and they're good to go. So all those are the courses that we are having. Also, we have masonry and plumbing, whereby we are training people to go and work out in the buildings and plumbing sectors. I also want to encourage even those who have finished secondary, those whose exams came out recently, that they are waiting to join campus. I want to encourage you, my young brothers and sisters, come to West Mogirango. Do a course, especially if you go with a course like plating, even nail technology, even maybe some ICT packages. They will help you once you join campus. At least you will earn something. If you have a little knowledge in even doing maybe digital literacy, you will be able even to type for other students. You get money. You will plate. You will make some nails for other girls and babies, and you will make your money. You will not even bother your parents that you want pocket money. And all this, I'm encouraging parents, bring your children here. They learn those small skills because they are going to help them. At least maybe we reduce these issues of drug abuse, and we get your children get busy before they join campus.
Alfred Yevon, I'm the registrar West Mogirango. I'm in charge of admission. And I want to say that this is a very nice institution, whereby we admit the students from all over the country, not only West Mogirango. So I want to say that we have several courses. We offer several courses. Actually, we have 6 departments, and we have 24 courses which cutters across all the departments. And I want to encourage now people, especially the Form 4 leavers, who are outside there, they can join us to pursue these very important courses. TVET institution is actually very important because students can acquire skills. For those students who completed Form 4 last year, they can join us to pursue these courses. Because in TVET institution, the government is actually supporting the TVET institution. Once we admit the students, we normally assist them to apply help, we normally assist them to apply scholarship, of which this TVET is actually free. We charge only maybe a small amount for assessment fee, which I know all the students can be, or the parents can be in a position to afford. Otherwise, I want to say that the students who have already completed Form 4, especially last year and the years before, they can join us to pursue these courses. I want to say that also we welcome the students who have scored any grade. If you have a student who has scored C-, we have a student who has scored a D+, D and even D minus and even class 8, they can also join us, so that because in different institutions we are focusing on the skills. Once someone has actually acquired the skills, they can be able even to employ themselves. They cannot rely on the, employment maybe from the government. Once they have the skills, they can go outside there. They can open their own clinics, even the motorcycle clinic and any other business. They can do it so long as they have the skills. The TVET trainings nowadays is flexible. We have the curriculum that we are using currently. Once a student has actually enrolled, that student can pursue a course even for three months. That is one term. So long as the students are have acquired a particular skill. So we have the short courses, even the computer packages, they can come. They can be trained in the computer packages. They can be trained also in the Chitume programs. We have the Chitume programs whereby after training, they can also earn from online platforms. Then apart from that, because the curriculum is flexible, we normally, let's say we have admit a student and that student wants to pursue, let's say plumbing, for example. That plumbing can take maybe three months, which is equivalent to 1 term. And then the CDAC, which is actually our assessment body, can award certificate to show that these students has actually perform a particular skills in a particular area.
Umwalimu West Mogirango ama engineer in electrical engineering. Na indi tigangiri bagari kwa kanga mpya mona singe njumo achire kwa kishanga abantu baitu banyoliro chumbe banyoliro taarifa isiko gaiga abana baitu bacho basome West Mogirango sababu anatokwa na West Mogirango na singe tutete abana baitu banyoliro skill banyoliro giseme chiabono yi munabone go muntu afata electrical engineering ikosi metuti etato banyolire egasyo ko para isiko gaiga igoto kwene kale cyabana baitu na baibuli baitu bagiche West Mogirango no ngaini bole nabona gantu bwa automotive ntwanyote chi equipment ko China chechi million abana baitu barega bagiche basome elinde bacha kopanyika sama tukakuru mutu ntubwate gento kende giko kuna help nabona che dini gasi anene no gotendera mangana ya help chwese chichi kuri gwa serikali chwese chiko chenu swase skuru chwese ni cyanda soma nafunzi no mwanafunzi wa 18 chibesa chikoro kunga na chiyo siringi chiri kukianda chikwanda sesini yayo elindo tumeka guhakana enyomba na bakore ibintu bire ikobona sababu teyo mwana arabere sikota acha basoma asenge njonga chibesa cyabulire bone gachibesa ntukwate chinke mnabona chibesa chikoro kunga na chiyo tuition fee umweshimiwe togwetera se West Mogirango constituency nera na chitaka chibesa chons ngoma chibesa chitaka kemne chamatemu ne chinda bachuna guhakanwa ngora nechi hostel ntubwate achibwata amachi chibwate keregento ochaga isingeli gwa yamana 500 somuti iko mwana unde byasta bwa ntoka isiko ngatebwati basa go chire school negento gene datake kwanira manogoro y'abana baito bari school gaiga abana baito mbere banyu tabakachi i asinge njumurigire kya so mwako ibana baito mbachite university bonds iko nalo kusabanga grade kende yons hebe kuchakira paka e na bogo cha West Mogirango kole kosi echa kwa nyasama tukakuru bona kakotera sibona kati yangu bagari kwakire serikali yetu ngampia mono asenge nchese miaka ya maega kwetwara tuwalinge changamoto kidogo ya sego nyo mnabona kachibya chonsi ite serikali yego tuma in time na mbaibere serikali ngutumirira abana chibya chiba gutumeka boka abanyene ntubwaje basi tuko upkeep ni maite na murabe mo chimanya upkeep yenye chikwa se help na wa disi chiko na chwensu chato muja sim chese umwana direct chese account yo mwana elindo tumeka iga serikali ne remi yaito mono mnabona bato atichiyo automotive materials chechi million chinyinge mono technology made ya change mangane chigari squeeze ga change ti bone ga to bwara chigari chichiri butaita mangana technology bone ga serikali yato te bintu bye chimiro msaidi ya 100 to kuchwa sawa kwa chi practical uchakirwa so mwako